Hey guys, ECRG here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about PPD being honored for superior training in the CRO workplace. So PPD has been recognized yet again for their superior employee development. So many of you guys who don't know, PPD stands for Pharmaceutical Product Development. And they are a top 5 CRO. They're pretty big. We have a Glassdoor review coming for them in a while or so. I don't know when exactly that's coming out, but we've done a whole review on a bunch of CROs, and PPD is one of them. But for the 7th consecutive year, Training Magazine has named PPD to its Training Top 125 list of businesses that excel in employee learning and development. So this is of no surprise, obviously. PPD has been named to that list for 7 consecutive years. And in the industry in general, in the clinical research space in general, PPD is really known for their education, their learning, giving back to the employees and allowing them to grow and continue the education pathway in clinical research. And that's pretty much been the same way the entire, couple of years, few years I've been in the industry, that PPD is well known for that education. Even, when I was getting my first start in the industry, recruiters would tell me, if I could get in at PPD, that would be great, and go there for a couple of years and really get that strong foundation for clinical research. Not to say that you can't do that elsewhere, but PPD just is really known for their learning and education. Recently they rolled out, last year, 2017, they rolled out their clinical research associate training program. And I think they've had other training programs in the past as well, but they rolled that one out. And they probably have other training programs in-house, obviously, if they've been rated 7 times to this Training Magazine's list. But it really goes to show something about their culture. One of the quotes from the magazine, it says, "At PPD, we work to create, adapt, and implement innovative approaches to foster industry-leading talent and culture." That was the executive vice president, Judd Hartman, who said that. And it sounds like it's really something in their culture that they live and breathe about the training. And that's how it's really done. Organizations are led from the top down. And so if the people at the top are really passionate about the training and learning, then it's going to be made all the way down. So I'm sure they have different modules that have been created. I'm sure the people that are teaching all the courses are really well qualified and really good. I know some CROs, and this may not be true for all of them, but some have they have dedicated trainers. So they have people teaching the material who have never actually done the role. So for example, they have people teaching meeting minutes who have never taken meeting minutes for for the various type of meetings, investigator meeting, or, the normal weekly internal meetings or sponsor meetings or whatever. They have people teaching the meeting minutes who have never actually done it. And so on and so on. They have people teaching things that they have never actually done in the real world. So I'm sure PPD does not. Now, once again, I've never worked there before, but I'm sure, it's probably pretty good. The article just pretty much goes on to talk about how they really put an emphasis on creating a best-in-class learning culture by having these programs that people can take and are encouraged to take to better improve their career and better improve themselves. So that's really cool. It's cool to have a company in the CRO space that is known for the training and learning. Because this Training Magazine includes not just clinical research, it includes other areas as well. So, and even in the article, it says that PPD has been seeing this emphasis on learning paying off. So, one of the quotes said, "The unwavering focus on learning is paying off. As PPD's learning culture survey revealed, the company's overall learning environment score was 9% ahead of other company scores." So that's a pretty significant difference if they're overall learning environment score is 9% ahead, which is amazing. So if you're looking to get in clinical research or looking to be in a more learning focused organization, please take a look at PPD, because they seem to be doing their thing on that front. And I've definitely heard through the grapevine that from other people who have worked with PPD or worked for PPD that they do have a good focus on learning, and it's not just for show. They're for real about it, which is amazing. So just wanted to share that news with you guys. I don't know if that came across your radar about PPD. I know a lot of people are looking to break into the CRO space that listen to this channel, or if you listen to the podcast. I would definitely, we've got the podcast links in the description, but if you're looking to get into clinical research, you definitely want to check out PPD. And we have the Glassdoor reviews coming soon. So if you're interested in that, comment down below. Say we want the Glassdoor reviews of the companies. So thanks guys for listening. Email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com if you want your resume reviewed, advertise with us, or any inquiries you may have. Email us there. Or you can comment down below if you have any other questions. Take care.